Hi there, and welcome back to the channel. We're going to be testing out a product that's not new. I like to test new products, but this is not new. It's been out for a while. It is Ultima Waterless Wash Plus Concentrate. And I think the reason why they call it Waterless Wash Plus is because you can use it different ways, just like these rinseless washes. Matter of fact, on the back, it tells you how to mix it for waterless wash, a quick detailer, and also a rinseless bucket wash. The rinseless bucket wash is mixed at 1 ounce per 3 gallons, which I have mixed up here. It is green in color. It has like, I'm thinking like a key lime type smell. So it does smell nice. We're going to give it a go here. I have not used this particular product as a rinseless, although this is probably my third bottle of the stuff I've used for a waterless wash, so it does a nice job with waterless. But I do like playing with rinseless washes, and I thought about trying this, had never done it. But since I've reviewed some of these other ones, let's give this one a go. But so far, like the smell. Don't know how much I like the cloudiness of the water. I mean, it's cool to see your water floating and giving you an idea of how much dirt you're pulling off the vehicle. So I've got 3 gallons mixed up here as per the directions. I'm going to give the Ram truck a cleanup because it sits outside, gets dirty. Mustang's clean, got cleaned yesterday. Did a rinseless on it with P&S Absolute. So I'm getting more and more used to that one. That one, the consistency kind of throws me off, and other people too, sounds like, but it does a nice job cleaning and your paint pretty shiny. So we're going to give this a go and see how it works. Stay tuned. Okay, well, we've had our rinseless sponges soaking in the mixture here for a bit while I've been getting ready. And so I have this mixed up as a waterless wash in this IK spray bottle that I got from Glove Box. So we'll do a little pre-treat here, try the hood out and see how the slickness, see how well it cleans, all that good stuff. So see, we got a little dirty. It's been raining on a couple times. Maybe a little bit of bird dew on there. This stuff makes for nice waterless because I've used this as a waterless wash for a while. And this stuff is sold by AutoGeek. So you can get AutoGeek, Autopia, maybe some other places too. And it's made by a company in Florida. And it's like I mentioned before, it's 1 ounce per 3 gallons. So I don't know whether this is which is the same ratio as Wolfgang Uber Rinseless, which is another one of my favorites. So, and those companies are both in Florida. So it makes me wonder, is it the same blender, whatever, because I know that happens a lot in this business. But so anyhow, so we got sprayed on here. Of course, I mentioned before in these videos, the truck is wearing Adams Graphene Spray Coating, which is a nice product. So we'll give it a go here and see how slick it might be. Okay. So I felt a little bit of drag on it. There goes the bird dew. So, well, it's doing a nice job knocking the dirt down, and it took that bird dew right off. However, it doesn't feel as slick as the P&S Absolute DIY Detail, the Adams Hoseless. I mean, it's still cleaning. It just doesn't feel as slick on the paint. And of course, where I've used all those products on the same vehicle, makes it easy to judge. But the cleaning power seems to be right up with the best of them there. So make sure we go in straight lines. Don't want to get busted for that by the detailing police. Let's come on the other side and get the middle center of the hood. This truck has the off-road package on it from Chrysler, which gives it about a 1 inch. It's the backcountry package, so it has a 1 inch lift compared to a standard Ram truck. And I'm a little over 6 foot, and even then I have a hard time getting that back center. But you can see that it's repelling the water. Like I said, it does a nice job cleaning, but it's not as slick as the rest of them. So we'll try some other spots too. All right. So now we're going to try this product out on the back of the truck. On the back of the truck here is quite often the dirtiest part, I guess, because all the winds that come across. So we'll check its cleaning abilities over here. So we'll do our pre-spray. It's cutting right through the dirtiness. So there's what it looks like. So, I mean, it cut right through. Like I said, just to the touch, this stuff is not as slick as the newer products. I guess it's kind of like some people say about O&R. It still does a good job, but the newer products are maybe a little bit better. I mean, I've liked all these rinseless products. I haven't found one I hated yet. And I've tried one or two others that I haven't done videos on. So this is what we look like here. We'll try another section. Okay, so I wanted to show you all this, how this stuff wipes off. I'm showing you the cleaning, but we'll show you how it wipes off. show you the how it flashes. Go right through here. It flashes off pretty quick, so that's a nice quality. Of course, you know, we're in the shade. Paint's not hot, so it makes it easier to operate any product really. But it does flash off nice. I mean, comparable to the other newer products. So here's what that looks like. So yeah, flashes off easy. This towel I got from Glove Box. It's a drying towel. It's the first time I've used it. And I'll be honest with you, where it's thin, it's like a two-sided. It's got the twist loop, and then it's got the smoother microfiber on the other side. I had wondered how effective it would be. But I tried it, and it's pretty solid. It sucks water right up. I was surprised. I'm used to the PFMs and the notorious DIYs from Auto Geek. So it's pretty solid. So, but let's clean the rest of the truck, and we will wrap it up. All right, guys, we're running out of light, but this is the finished product. Nice and glossy. Of course, when you got you know, like a ceramic or graphene product, that's easy to do. Here's the back of the truck where it was the dirtiest. Here's the side. So, does it do a nice job cleaning? Yes. Is it slick? Not compared to the other ones. I mean, but it does do a good job cleaning. Definitely leaves a nice gloss. As far as I know, this one, if I had to guess, it is a polymer-based product because it says it leaves Polycharger polymers behind, so it does leave a little bit of protection. And seems to be a good product. So thanks for watching. Oh, and this is a PS. One additional thing here. Here's a shot of the dirt that was pulled off. You know, we start out with a green color. It was kind of murky looking. Seems to be the nature of this product. You can see the dirt floating around. It did pull quite a bit of dirt off. See some stuff floating. And I can't remember with surfactants versus polymers which one does what. But either way, it did pull quite a bit of dirt off the truck. And we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.